Hey, what's up? This is Ricardo at Parts People, and in this video, we'll outline the steps for completing a part replacement on your Dell PC. Visit our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. Slide tabs outward to unlock and remove battery. Unscrew, then remove access door. Now unscrew and remove DVD drive. Then separate clips and remove memory. Then disconnect antennas and remove wireless card. Then unscrew and remove hard drive. Now unscrew bottom base. Next, use thin object to pry apart keyboard. Now disconnect keyboard cable. Now unscrew and disconnect palmrest. Disconnect input-output board. Next, disconnect and remove DC jack. Then loosen the antenna cable. Then disconnect display cable. Now unscrew and remove display assembly. Now unscrew and disconnect circuit board. Now unscrew and disconnect motherboard. Now unscrew and disconnect heatsink. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.